Say hello to a new kind of marketer. No longer just responsible for reaching and engaging customers, these marketers have a new mandate: to get more out of every investment and to drive growth no matter what the environment. To fulfill that new responsibility, they need cross-channel, real-time insights, and they can only find them with a unified foundation of marketing data. At Datorama, we've created an end-to-end intelligence platform built specifically for marketers. We know how complex your campaigns can be, with content running on dozens of channels, each one producing their own siloed data set. Datorama connects and unifies all your marketing data effortlessly. Doesn't matter what form it's in, Datorama's AI-powered technology will automatically map, model, and harmonize it. So now you can optimize spend and performance across channels and campaigns. And thanks to our robust API library, connecting data sources is as easy as entering your credentials. So you spend less time collecting data and more time analyzing it. Datorama gives you a real-time, holistic view of your performance, as a whole, by channel, by region, by everything. So you can be strategic about where you put your resources. Like if a certain campaign is working on one channel but not another, or if a certain audience is converting less than expected, you can dive deeper into the data and figure out why. This type of real-time cross-channel measurement allows you to identify trends as they develop, so you can be certain about every decision. Join the community of marketers that are using Datorama to become more data-driven. Get Datorama and get more out of every investment today.